Welcome to our tutorial dedicated to connecting the SIA Connect Gateway to the esteemed KaaIoT platform. To initiate the data transfer process to the KaaIoT platform, we'll create an MQTT connector. To do this, navigate to the Instances page and click on Add New Instance. Select connector type and populate values. Address, port, and SSL version. Let's proceed with creating endpoints by supplying tokens in KaaIoT to facilitate data transfer from SIA Connect. Select your application and click on Add Device. The next step is to create a data item in SIA Connect. Open the KaaIoT connector instance and input the topic and name. Replace application version, device token with your device values from KaaIoT platform. Let's proceed by establishing a mapping between your equipment items and the corresponding items in the KaaIoT connector. Select your sender item. The data format supported by KaaIoT is JSON. In our scenario, we're employing a simple format. Select the receiver item from the previous step. Open the device page in KaaIoT Cloud and check the data. As you can see, we've begun receiving data from the equipment linked to the SIA Connect Gateway. Now, you can unlock the potential of seamless connectivity between your industrial equipment and the KaaIoT platform using the SIA Connect Gateway. Leveraging the robust capabilities of KaaIoT, you gain access to a dynamic, scalable, and secure industrial IoT platform. Empowered by KaaIoT's comprehensive suite of tools and features, you can efficiently monitor, manage, and optimize your industrial processes.